This is what we call flushing of the system. We're about to flush the system to know if there's dirty inside. If there's dirty, it will affect the compressor after mounting. So it's best we flush the system, flush out the dirties in the system before we install a new compressor. It's very, very important that you must flush the system before installing new compressor. If you fail to do that, it might also kill the new compressor you put. So follow me as I show you how to flush the system, how to flush your outdoor unit. Watch, this is my hose going to the capillary. From the capillary, I'm going to flow put gas to the system in order to flush the system. Follow me. So that they will put liquid. That liquid will be the one. Now the system is flush. You can see the eyes. This shows that the system is true now. Now look at the dirty that comes out from the system. I want you to just take a good look at the dirty that came out from the system. There is the dirt. Here's the dirt. The dirty that came out from the system. This black stain here is the dirty. Now with this thing now entering the compressor, you see it will affect the compressor. So we are going to wash this system. We are going to wash it before we install the new compressor so that there will be no dirty there. We are going to wash the system before we install it. Follow me as we go and wash it. Follow me as we go and wash it.